Good morning. This is around about 12:45 in the morning. A strange thing that I'm seeing in the farm. That's what I just want to report. You see that bed there is there ready. Exactly what killed it is just what this one is suffering. It came so quick and it just started picking the beds. I don't know what this is, but what I have done is to move all the beds in the left side of the nursery to the right side because the problem was affecting the ones on the left side. So when you look at these three beds that are here right now, plus this two that died during the daytime, similar incident. In total right now, it's 12 beds that are gone in total. So it's quite strange. Well, this is choice and this is building farm. I am acting to prevent further deaths. So I'm working, I'm on tonight. I will do everything humanly possible to prevent another one from dying from this particular problem. I have started doing all the necessary things, including giving them more antibiotics to prevent them from getting whatever that is. This is. There is some weird cough that could takes the voice of the bed immediately. It cannot. It keeps gasping for air. So this particular one, I'm giving it antibiotics, but I don't know. Will it make it? Time shall tell. This one is just weak. It's not dead yet, but I've counted it off as well. So these three, I counted them off. In total, that's like 12 beds have gone. Anyway, this is William Farm. This is choice. We'll see tomorrow. Oh well, we'll see when the day breaks completely because it's already tomorrow. Today is already Sunday. So, good morning once more.